Working on Talon's rolling.
Wrong way, brother. Wrong way.
He goes. Yay! Good job, buddy.
Okay. A little harder now. A little harder.
Oh, wrong way.
Now you gotta flip on your back. Use here. Use that elbow. Use your shoulder. Come on.
He's more interested in his fist.
There we go.
Talon, come here. Hey, Talon.
Use that elbow. Use that elbow.
Talon. Come here, buddy.
Come on.
Hey, Talon. Bubba. Hey, buddy.
Who's in here?
Daddy's talking to him like he's one of his athletes.
Who's in here?
Talon.
Muscles. It's for you, mommy. I'm too busy getting my hands in my mouth. I'm too busy getting my hands in my mouth. Yeah.
Hey, Bubs. Hey, Talon. Go ahead. Yay.
One. Oh. No, too much.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, dude.
Put your leg like this.
Hi, Bubba.
Okay, your legs there.
He's like, I want to look at Mommy in the camera. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. Talon. You just got like the highest he's really ever been. Go ahead. You can roll over. Go ahead, buddy. I know you're trying. Yeah. You're trying so hard, sweetie. Yeah. Hi. Oh, my God. Good job, buddy. Oh, I thought it was going to happen. And now we put our fist in our mouth. Hey, Talon. It's like, get this monkey off my head. Hey, Talon. Hey, buddy. Oh, nice burp, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Talon. Hey, Buster. Hi, sweetie. Yeah. Yeah, are you excited? Go ahead and roll over if you want. Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. Hi, sweets. Yeah. Good job, buddy. You normally don't like tummy time. What's that noise? Yay! Good job! He rolled over on his own! Babe! Go ahead. What's Daddy doing to you?
No, I can't go in your mouth.
What's Daddy doing to you, buddy? Huh? What? What?
And you know what? It's because you're teaching first. And I know you're gonna say it's corny.
Hey, dude.
Hey.
What's Daddy doing to you? What's he doing? What's going on? So fun. Our new game with Talon. Whee! Oh.
He tired of himself out there before.
Did you like that, Bubba?
Oh, he's...
You tired? Mommy and Daddy are tired. Ooh.
I'm tired.
Good job, sweetie. He gets mad because it's not there quick enough for him.
Talon's first eating experience.
Good boy.
Just like his papa, he doesn't like it when it's too slow. He likes it fast.
What are you doing, Bubba? What's so funny? What are you doing? What's so funny? Oh, that's funny. Oh, nice burp, dude. Daddy? Talon, are you flying? Wee! He just looks like a doll right now. He looks like... What are you laughing at? Is that funny? Is the food yummy? Is it so good? How good is it? Is it yummy? Yeah. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, what is it? Is it yummy, Bubba? Yeah? Do you like it? Or does it taste funny? Do you like it? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, sweetie? Yeah? Goodness, goodness. You love the word goodness. Goodness, golly gracious, Bubba. Oh, goodness you. Hi. Hi, you. Good. Hi. What are you doing? Are you playing early in the morning? Hi, you. Hi. Goodness golly gracious. Goodness me. Hi. Hi, big boy. Eating our first bananas today.
Oh, good one. You got some in your nose. Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Hey, Talon. Talon, how do you like your nanners? You like them?
They're pretty good, huh?
Do you like your oh, big bite.
Let's get it in your mouth, though. Oh.
Do you like bananas, Talon?
Oh, good one.
Talon. Yeah.
Oh, good one.
I think we have an eater. Sweet potatoes, carrots, and nanners. Say hi. Hi. Do you say hi? Hi. 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 Oh, you want to play with your toy instead? Hi. 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 Hi, buddy. Hi. Hey, buddy. What's Daddy doing? He's putting your shirt on.
You like the shirt? Do you like the shirt? You trying it on? Yeah. You look good.
Aw, you like the strength and conditioning shirt, buddy? What's he doing? What's going on, buddy? Oh. 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 Oh.